How to install Minikube on macOS. Minikube is a local Kubernetes focusing on making it easy to learn and develop for Kubernetes. All you need is Docker, container or a virtual machine environment and Kubernetes in a single command. As you can see from the official website, a lot of different operating systems are supported. In my case, I'm gonna select macOS for ARM64 because I have Apple Silicon, and on the stable release using, I will show you in a second. The default is a binary installer, but I rather prefer the Homebrew installer. Homebrew is a package manager designed for macOS, and as you can see, Minikube is available out of the box, so we just need to copy the install command and paste in our terminal. As you can see, this is a well-maintained project based on Go and a lot of interesting information. Now, welcome to my terminal. I will show you what is needed to start my Minikube cluster. First of all, I need to install my package using Homebrew. One command, brew install Minikube, and in a blink of an eye is going to download the package from the official repository and install on my system. Only 87 megabytes. And now the things began because actually under the hood, Minikube is not running, as we can verify using the Minikube status command. To make it run, we need the start command. The first start is actually taking a while because I need to download all the necessary components. In this case, it's going to download a virtual machine boot image. This boot image is going to be executed using the QEMU driver. The speed actually depends by your network performance. In my case, now I was speeding up a little bit the video just to make it easy for you. After downloading the virtual machine boot image, the system is actually downloaded another component that is able to start the control plane node using this machine, but it still needs the Kubernetes to run. In this case, it's going to download the preloaded image of the version 128.3, that is the latest available, another 300 megabytes to download. So be sure that you are connected to the internet and it's not taking longer while Minikube is executing all of this. Bear in mind that this is just the first boot and all the other one will be super fast. Okay, cool. So let me summarize. We just installed using Homebrew, then we just did a Minikube start and everything is happening automatically. We don't need to do anything more than waiting. Okay, we almost completed, and as soon as you reach out all the completed for this preloaded image, Minikube is able to actually start our cluster and all the necessary components. As you can see, it's creating the QEMU image, assigning 2 CPU, 4 GB of RAM and 20 GB of hard drive, making sure you have these resources available in your system. I'm running this on macOS using Apple Silicon, so it's working on the latest M processors. As you can see inside, it's going to run Kubernetes 128 on Docker 24. The version might vary, depends on when it is available, but under the hood, this is what is going to happen. And wow, boom, we have our Kubernetes cluster run. Now, actually, our controller node and all the necessary components are running. So if we verify using Minikube status, we got the host, kubelet, API server and kubeconfig configured and running. Cool. What you might need is actually the kubecontrol CLI interface that is embedded into the Minikube. So if we do the kubecontrol Minikube, kube control, get pods. Yeah, no, I misspelled get pods. It actually download also this component. Is going to take just 50 megabytes, not a long waiting, and after this we will be able to type all the command that we need. Cool. Let me fix this command, let me have a space. So we got the get pods and all the command that we would like to type in our cluster. One very useful is to verify the version of our cluster, so you can verify the client, server, and customize. Now the sky is the limit, and you can test all the Kubernetes code in your laptop using Minikube. And one crazy thing is using Minikube dashboard. The dashboard is actually a full UI where you can control your Kubernetes using a web interface. I will leave it up to you because this is a very cool feature. Thank you so much, and now the sky is the limit. See you in the next video. Bye!